What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw Pidgeotto from Pokemon. Let's get started on the left side of our page with the beak. Starting from the top, I'm just going to curve this in and then down. Go back up to the top, curve the beak going out and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll connect the bottom to the inside with a curve, going up and then in. And we'll tuck the lower half of the beak underneath. Starting on the inside, just draw a small half circle, coming up towards the top. Let's go to the top point of the beak, step over towards the right, and draw the inside edge of the hair. I'm just going to curve this up, across, and then just bend that down. And then we'll tuck the eye in underneath. From the beak, let's step up, curve down and out, draw a straight angle line going up towards the top, and then we'll bend the eye going up and in. Let's add a thick trim on the right side of the eye. From the top we'll step in, just follow that same curve coming down, and we'll fill that area in black. And we'll push the iris and pupil over towards the right side. Starting from the bottom, draw a half oval, going up and then down, and then we'll draw a smaller half oval along the inside. Now from here we're going to draw the front edge of the body. Starting underneath the beak, curve this in and then out. Let's round up the belly, come down and just pull that in. Now the wing on the right is going to overlap on top of the body. So let's start with the inside edge of the neck, step over towards the right, curve the wing going up and then out. I'm just going to bend this out and then up towards the top of the wing. Let's curve the wing going out towards the end. Just going to round this out, go up and then out towards the right. And now we're going to draw the inside edge of the wing. Starting from the tip, I'm just going to taper this so it gets wider as you come in. Just follow that same curve coming down and then in. Let's pull this down underneath that point. Coming down and then across. Let's round up the bottom. I'm just going to pull this up and out towards the side of the body. Let's draw the back side of the head underneath the hair and the wing. Starting from the top, I'm going to curve this across and then down. And now we're going to add that detail around the face. Starting from the outside corner of the eye, curve this out and then down, come down and then in, and then we'll curve this up and then back down towards the left. Now from that right point, we're just going to taper this back up towards the eye, going out and then up, and pull that back in towards the side of the eye. Now I'm going to fold the hair coming back down in behind the wing. So starting from the top of the head, let's step over towards the right, curve the hair going out and then down. Let's layer the hair along the top of the head. We're going to start from the top of the beak, curve this up and out, go across towards the right, and we'll pull this out and then down in behind the wing. Let's add another one. From the top of the beak, we're going to step over towards the left, go up and across, go up towards the top. I'm just going to tuck this down in behind the front. Let's go back down to the bottom, angle up and out towards the left, curve this up and in. I'm just going to taper that back in towards the beak, going out and then down, curve this down and then in towards the bottom. Let's go to the inside of this line, curve up and across, pull this up towards the top, and we'll just tuck that in behind. Let's add one more along the left side. Starting from the bottom, curve this out and then up, up and in. I'm just going to pull this in behind and continue in between. Now we're going to tuck the left wing in behind the head and the body. Let's start from the top, angle up and out with a short line, and we'll curve the wing going out and then up. Let's draw the inside edge of the wing. Starting from the tip, come down and then in, and then angle back down in behind the head. Now we're going to draw the inside set of feathers. Starting from the inside of the wing, curve this up and out. Just going to round this out, come down, and then in. Let's add another one. Curving up and out, come down, and then in. Now these feathers are going to get smaller as you come back in towards the body. Going out, going down, and then in. I'm just going to repeat this all the way down towards the body. Now we're going to do the same thing over on the right side. Starting underneath the wing, curve this out towards the side, round up the end, and then pull that in. Let's add another one. Going out, come down, and then in. Now I'm going to work our way in towards the body. And again, these feathers are going to get smaller as we come down towards the bottom. Add a couple more. And one smaller one on the inside. Now we're going to layer the outside set of feathers in behind. Let's start from the tip, curve this around, and just pull that in. Let's go back up, curve this up and out, come down, and then in. And again, we're just going to repeat this all the way back in towards the body. Let's start up here. Now again, these feathers are going to get smaller as they come in towards the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the tip of the wing, come down, and then just bend that in, step out, curve this up and out, pull that down and in. And again, we're just going to repeat this all the way down towards the body. Now the bottom last couple feathers, we're not going to go all the way up. Just going to pull that up to right about there. Step down. Just add one more. Now with the wings in place, we're going to move down and draw on the right claw. Let's line up the bottom of the body over on the right side. We're going to add in the sockets. Starting with a small half circle. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. And we'll pull the claws coming down and in towards each other. Starting with the inside, come down and in. Go to the outside, round up the claw, coming in towards that point. Let's surround the top of each claw with a circle. Starting on the outside, go all the way around and back out. Let's connect the inside of the claws with a curve. Coming down and then up. Let's go to the outside, curve down and then in, and from the outside we'll come down and in. Let's round up the bottom claw, come in and then out. Pull that back in, leaving a gap in between. Now I'm going to close this off with a curve, going up and then down. And we'll add that bottom claw curved out towards the left. Starting on the left side, come down and out, pull that back up on the right. Now we want to layer the thigh in behind the claw. Starting from the right side, curve this up, and then in, go to the inside of the foot, curve across, and then up. Let's round out the right side of the body. Starting underneath the wing, curve this out, and in behind the foot. Let's go back up to the top, add a trim, coming in and then down. Let's go back to the left side. We want to continue the curve of the body, leaving a gap, coming down and then in towards the tail. Add a couple points along the bottom. Come straight down, and go up, come down, and then back up underneath the foot. Let's stretch the left leg out from the side of the body. We start by lining up the thigh over on the side, curve the leg going out and then down. Let's round out the thigh, coming in and then down. Let's add a point along the bottom and up and in with a short line. And we'll round out the thigh, coming down and in behind the body. Let's go to the top of the thigh, draw a straight line going out towards the foot. Now we're going to do an overlap, stepping down, curve up and out, and then we'll work our way out towards the first claw, going up and out, round up the claw, and then pull that back in. Now we're going to draw on the first claw, starting from the bottom, go up and in, round up the claw, and then go back out. Let's add a fold underneath that claw, starting from the inside, come down, and then pull that up. Let's add a second claw in behind, starting from the side, curve up and out, round up the claw, pull that back in. Now we're going to go up and tuck that in behind, and then we'll draw the top edge of the claw, going up and then out. Let's go to that bottom point of the thigh, step up, curve the leg, coming across, and then up, come down, and then in. And then we'll work our way out toward the bottom claw, curving down, and then up. Let's taper that back in, and then we'll round up the inside of the claw. Let's go to the top and add a fold, going up and then down. Let's go back underneath the first claw, separate the toes, coming in and then down. Go to the outside, curve in and then down, come in and down towards the bottom. And now we're going to go down and add in the tail. Let's start from the side of the foot, curve this out, and then down towards the bottom. We're going to add 2 points, angling up, and then back down, and then we'll curve this in, and then back up underneath the foot. Now we draw that same shape layered in behind one another. So let's start on the inside, come down and in, add those 2 points, curve this across, just pull that up underneath the body. Let's add another one, stepping up, come down towards the bottom, add those 2 points, curve this out and up. Let's add one more on the left side, starting from the top, curve this round and then down, add a point going up, down, and then back up. And then we'll add one more over on the right side, starting from the top, go out, and then down, add a point, going up. I'm just going to pull this down in behind the tail. And that's pretty much it. There's Pidgeotto from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you check out our Pokemon playlist. We're adding new characters every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.